You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this saint in Italian and how you can say it easily in English. If you want to learn more names from the Bible, biblical names, stay tuned. We've got tons more coming up. So, in English you'd say Saint Pio, not Pio. In Italian, for reference, it'd be Santo Pio. Santo Pio of Pietrelcina. Pietrelcina, that's your Italian pronunciation here. In English you can say it as Pietrelcina. So, Saint Pio of Pietrelcina. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.